Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trade using shekels in Grey Garden now that it's back. So you will need this trading ticket, which you can find in the gear shop here. You can purchase it there. So to trade shekels, you are going to get your trading ticket and you're going to send trade request. And you're going to set the shekels here. There is a fee to that. There's a 10% fee. So if you give them 10,000 shekels, they'll get only 9,000. I don't know where it goes, but just press accept and press confirm. But that is it for this video. As you can see, they only get 9,000 shekels. So if you want to give them 10,000, you need to give 11,000 shekels. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.